What if I told you that organizing your personal finances in 2026 doesn't need to involve complicated spreadsheets or tracking every penny spent? Instead, it's about implementing systems that work automatically to keep your finances on track. In today's digital age, the key is decluttering your digital brain and creating a seamless, set-and-forget approach that does the heavy lifting for you. By using simple systems that work in the background, you can effortlessly manage your money without the stress. In this video, I'm going to share the top 5 systems you can use to organize your personal finances effectively in 2026. Stick around until the end, where I'll show you a practical way to implement these systems and start living a stress-free financial life. 1. The 3-bucket account architecture. One of the simplest yet most powerful systems to organize your finances is the 3-bucket account architecture. This method divides your financial life into 3 distinct categories: fixed, flex, and future. The fixed bucket is dedicated to regular, non-negotiable expenses like bills, rent, and subscriptions. These are expenses you can reliably predict each month, such as utility bills, mortgage or rent payments, and subscriptions like Netflix or your internet service. By putting these costs into one account and automatically transferring the necessary funds when you get paid, you eliminate any guesswork. You know that these funds are already allocated for your essentials, so you can be confident that your core expenses are always covered. The flex bucket covers your daily spending for things like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. This is the bucket that allows for some flexibility in your budget. When your paycheck is deposited, a portion is allocated to this account for your discretionary spending. The beauty of the flex bucket is that it creates a clear boundary for how much you can spend on these non-essential items, and once the account hits zero, you simply stop spending, no math required. This prevents impulse purchases and ensures that you live within your means without constantly checking your account balances. The future bucket is reserved for long-term goals such as investments and emergency savings. This account is designed to help you plan for the future, whether you're saving for a rainy day, building an emergency fund, or putting money away for retirement. By treating this account as non-negotiable and setting up automatic transfers, you ensure that you're consistently saving toward your future goals without having to think about it every month. By setting up automatic transfers from your paycheck into these 3 accounts, you eliminate the need for constant manual budgeting. The beauty of this system is its simplicity. If your flex bucket hits zero, you stop spending, no math required. This approach removes the stress of constantly monitoring your finances and makes it easy to stay within your limits. You no longer need to track every single expense. Instead, you can trust that your financial system is taking care of itself. This set-and-forget approach is powerful because it allows you to manage both short-term needs and long-term goals effortlessly. The future bucket ensures you're always saving and investing, while the fixed bucket guarantees your essentials are covered. The flex bucket offers flexibility for day-to-day spending without going overboard. It's a simple but highly effective way to stay on top of your finances, free from the stress of constant calculations and manual tracking. 2. The Paperless Fortress Digital Vault. In 2026, physical paperwork is becoming increasingly obsolete, and organizing your financial documents digitally is the most efficient way to stay on top of your finances. The Paperless Fortress Digital Vault is a secure cloud storage solution where you can store all your important financial documents. Instead of holding on to receipts, tax forms, and insurance policies in physical folders, you can use a cloud service like Proton Drive or an encrypted Dropbox to store them. Using a mobile scanner app, you can instantly upload these documents as soon as you receive them, ensuring you never lose track of an important receipt or form. Tagging documents by year makes tax season a breeze, as you can easily access all your forms with just a few clicks. Gone are the days of frantically searching through piles of paper to find what you need. The Paperless Fortress keeps everything organized, secure, and easily accessible from anywhere. This digital solution doesn't just declutter your physical space, it also declutters your mind. By having everything stored in one safe place, you eliminate the stress of misplacing important documents and streamline your entire financial organization process. It's the ideal solution for anyone looking to stay organized in the digital age. 3. Automated Cash Flow Forecasting. In 2026, one of the most effective ways to manage your finances is by looking forward, not just back. Automated cash flow forecasting tools are designed to predict your financial future, helping you plan for upcoming expenses and avoid surprise shortages. By linking your bank accounts to an AI-driven tool like Copilot or PocketGuard, these systems track your transactions and automatically project your bank balance for the next 30 days. This allows you to plan ahead for bills, subscriptions, and other major expenses. If you see that you'll be short a certain amount in a few weeks, you can make adjustments today to ensure you're prepared when the time comes. Cash flow forecasting takes the guesswork out of budgeting and helps you avoid overdraft fees or late payments. Instead of waiting until the end of the month to realize you're running low on funds, you can see potential issues ahead of time and take proactive steps to correct them. This is an essential tool for anyone looking to stay on top of their finances and avoid unnecessary stress. 4. The annual financial calendar triggers. Another effective system for organizing your finances is creating an annual financial calendar, with specific tasks assigned to each month. Instead of letting your financial responsibilities pile up and overwhelm you, break them down into manageable, recurring tasks that you can tackle at a set time each year. For example, the first Sunday of January could be dedicated to auditing your insurance policies. February might be the time to purge unnecessary subscriptions, and March could be the month to start preparing for tax season. By assigning a specific task to each month, you create a predictable rhythm that helps you stay on top of your finances throughout the year. This system prevents the mountain of paperwork from building up and causing organizational paralysis. By tackling one small financial task each month, you ensure that nothing falls through the cracks and that you're always prepared for the upcoming year's financial challenges. This method also reduces the stress of handling everything all at once, making financial management feel less overwhelming and more like a series of manageable steps. Creating an annual financial calendar is a simple way to structure your financial year and stay organized without feeling burdened by the constant weight of financial tasks. It allows you to maintain control and ensures that your finances stay in order with minimal effort. 5. The carbon copy investment flywheel. When it comes to organizing your investments, simplicity is key. The carbon copy investment flywheel system allows you to mirror a broad, well-diversified index fund strategy, like a target date fund, TDF, or a lazy portfolio, such as the 3-fund portfolio. This system eliminates the need to track dozens of different investments, making your future bucket incredibly easy to manage. By investing in just 2 or 3 broad index funds, one for stocks, one for bonds, and sometimes a third for international exposure, you simplify your entire investment strategy. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity. Instead of spending hours researching individual stocks or trying to time the market, you can rely on well-established, low-cost index funds to do the work for you. This set-and-forget approach allows you to stay focused on long-term growth without the constant stress of portfolio management. In 2026, the carbon copy investment flywheel is the perfect system for anyone looking to streamline their investment strategy and focus on consistent growth. This approach is particularly beneficial for people who want to avoid the complexity of managing individual stocks and instead prefer the stability and reliability of a diversified portfolio. There you have it. The top 5 simple systems to organize your personal finances effectively in 2026. From the 3-bucket account architecture to the carbon copy investment flywheel, these systems are designed to simplify your financial life and reduce stress. By implementing these simple yet effective systems, you can ensure that your money moves where it needs to go, without the need for constant tracking or spreadsheets. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on organizing your personal finances. Let me know in the comments which system you're going to implement first, and I'll see you in the next video.